The discrete random variable t has a probability distribution as shown. Find the value of the k, b, the probability that t is between -2 and 0, c, the probability that t is greater than -2, d, the probability that t is between -1 and 1, and e, the mode. Right, for a discrete random variable, the sum of all the probabilities that t is equal to t will be equal to 1. So all these probabilities here, in this column here, have to add up to 1. These are the actual values of t, these are the probabilities. So if we do 0.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.25 plus 0.1 plus k is equal to 1, this here comes to 0.7, so 0.7 plus k is equal to 1. Taking 0.7 from both sides, you're going to get the k is 0.3. Now we want the probability that t is between -2 but equal to it but less than 0. So now this is the table with 0.3 written in. The bit of the table that we want is this. We don't include this because we want less than 0, but we can be equal to -2. So it's going to be 0.2 plus 0.15, which is 0.35. The probability that t is greater than -2 is going to be all of those. Now we could add all those together, but we could consider it doing by the probability that 1 minus that t is equal to -2. So it's going to be 1 minus 0.2, which is equal to 0.8. If you add these up, you will get 0.8. D, the probability that t is between -1 and 1, but not including any of them. So that's just going to be the probability that t is equal to 0, which is going to be 0.5. And E, the mode is the one with the highest probability. So the one with the highest probability is this one here, which is 2. So that the mode will be equal to 2. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use a probability distribution table. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.